The internet is a fucking wonderful place where you can upload practically anything on the internet. You can upload 10 hours of nothing on YouTube if that's what your speed is. Or maybe you want to upload coronavirus propaganda on Facebook. Or maybe if you're a TikToker, you might want to make... What the fuck is this?
I'm Baby Yoda!
This looks like Danny DeVito had sex with a gremlin and this was the product.
It's over, Anakin! I have the high ground!
And I have high blood pressure.
This man looks like something you'd see in the middle of a nightmare horror fever dream.
I can hear their cries. I can smell their fears.
Anyways, because this is a free country, I'm gonna teach my bird English. Come here. Come here, you little piece of shit. Come here, Pickle. So this is Pickle. That was Pickle. Come here. No. She ran away. Come here. She doesn't understand basic human English, so I'm gonna fucking teach her how to spell. I'm gonna teach her every letter on the alphabet. Come here. Come here. Look how cute she is. Oh my god. Come here. Oh, come here. I'm trying to give her a kiss and she's running away. Come on. Where are you running from? Are you hungry? I think she's hungry. Bro, are you high?
Damn, Carl, bro, stop chiefing. This nigga smoked the whole... Bro, alright, bro.
Sir, I'm teaching you the alphabet. Repeat after me, bro. A. Come on, repeat. Please repeat it. Bro, can you just right there. A. Bro, it's not that hard, dude. Take the pencil here. You practice. Wanna practice? B. C. D.
What the fuck? Damn, I don't hog all the weed, nigga. Damn, nigga slump, bro.
He's on my knee right now, and if I get up, he's gonna move, and he's just gonna fly away, and he's not gonna trust me ever again. This is the only moment he'll ever trust me right now. I don't know why he's not flown away yet, but if I move even just an inch, he will leave me. So I'm basically at a standstill where I'm with this bird, I'm with myself, I'm with my knee. I'm with this light bulb right here.
Out. Oh, that's just me.
I don't know where else to go from this. I guess I can teach him sign language. Look. Come here. That's A. Are you looking at me? Are you watching? A, B, C, D, that's D, right? D, E, F, shit, what the fuck is G? I can't do G. H, I, J, K, L.
It's for the way you look at me.
T, U, V. What comes after V? W, X. No. X, Y, and Z.
You blink? You good, bro? Bro, you straight? Hey, bro, you good? You good, bro?
It's currently 2:17 in the afternoon. It's been several days since I've taught the bird how to do sign language, all to no avail. Nothing has seemed to be working.
Psst. Hey.
Who said it?
Yeah, over here, bro.
Who the
Look.
fuck said it?
It's me, bro. I'm a rock. But I'm not just any rock. I'm the motherfucking Rosetta Stone rock. You know that stone? The one with the 3 languages on it? That's me.
What makes you think I can trust you?
I'm about to teach your own bird, Mr. Pickle over there. I'm gonna teach him how to speak the language of the gods. Yo, watch. You're gonna see this. Watch this, man.
Just feel it. Just feel the power. Yes.
ecstasy, my flavor from the nature. Need an acre for my recipe. They got my soul, but I don't let them take the rest of me. My melody, a little like Kenny G's, it's heavenly.
Welcome back to whatever Duolingo is. I know that it teaches you languages, and I've been doing a little bit of it, and I'm going to try practicing. So I have one heart here that I need to do. To get a heart, I need to say bread in Spanish. Pan.
Pan.
Oh my god. Yep, thank you. He is a boy. Él es un niño. Él es... That's the first one, bro. That's easy peasy, bitch ass squeezy. No, motherfucker.
Yo bebo agua.
I can't go back. Yo bebo agua. That means I drink water. Bitch. You are a girl. What? What? The fuck did they just say about me?
Yo bebo, tú bebes, él bebe.
What?
La mujer bebe agua.
What the fuck is this guy saying, bro? This guy looks like he works for the fucking Taliban. That's fucking racist. They completely ignore what I just said. Oh my god. The boy drinks water. The woman drinks water. I'm running out of options. Nothing seems to be working. They're calling me a madman. They're saying I can't do it. But there has to be a way. I just have to think hard enough. I just have to reach out there and say, what? They say every drawback is a step towards success. But you know what? I say fuck that. Everything I've done so far has been a fucking success. And the world said I could never create a talking animal. Shout out to Dr. Dolittle. But you know what? When the world turns its back on you, you turn your back on the world. And I've not failed. I just found 100 ways that didn't work. And soon, when I find the way that it does work, or you know what I mean, the world will see what a $0 budget and a video editing app can truly do. No one else can fucking do this shit the way I do this shit. Not while sober, at least. And you know what? Neither can I.
Access granted. Access granted. Access granted.
Stubborn, mean-spirited bastard. Think I can sell my place?
I have eaten of the apple of the garden of Eden. I hath drunketh the blood of Christ and all hath been revealed. Revelation is you panas. You have a great journey ahead of you. Much hardship and failure await your arrival, but with it all comes strength and the courage to persevere. I can assure you this will be no easy task, and your future may look bleak ahead. But please take comfort in knowing nothing is permanent and the future is a river of possibility. Safe travels further and may the goods of fate be merciful.
So that's fucking it? You're done? The fuck are you doing here?
Yo, not cool, bro. Fucking leaving me here. Fucking I'm trying to do your Spanish and shit. Uneducated ass gringo. Hola, motherfucker. Do your Spanish, dumbass.